Okay, so we're now going to connect the horizontal track to the vertical frame leg. And Techintruck, as you know, we're a little bit innovative, and we've designed this so that you can actually fit the horizontal track like this, connect your spacer bar at the back, put your other track in. You can then actually load the springs into the spring trays, then lift everything up, prop it, and then you can get everything level and square, check your diagonals, etc. And the way you do that is that there's a location pin here, it locates into the frame leg just here, and then this half moon slot here with the T20 fixing in it allows the frame to rotate up to 90 degrees. So I'm just going to pop the rotating pin in, nice and simple, just goes there like that. So there we are, and you can see our slot. I'm just going to fix the T20 fixing. There you go, that's the first connection. This hole here, when we lift it vertical, the second T20 fixing goes into it. And that'll just rotate nicely up.